Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part.
If accounting software had dating profiles, Patriot would say low drama, upfront pricing, while AccountEdge would say it's complicated but powerful. So let's start where everyone actually starts, pricing, before feelings get involved. Patriot's pricing is refreshingly simple. For accounting, Patriot offers two core plans. Accounting basic costs $10 per month and includes unlimited customers and invoices, automatic bank imports, income and expense tracking, account reconciliation, and solid financial reporting. Accounting Premium is $15 per month and adds recurring invoices, invoice payment reminders, receipt and document storage, estimates, and user-based permissions. Payroll is completely optional and priced separately. Basic payroll starts at $8.50 per month, plus a small per employee fee, while full-service payroll comes in at $18.50 per month, plus a per employee fee, with Patriot handling federal, state, and local tax filings. The key takeaway is clarity. You only pay for what you need, there are no forced bundles, and you can add payroll later without restructuring your entire setup. AccountEdge pricing follows a very different model. Instead of lightweight cloud tiers, AccountEdge offers full accounting systems at higher price points, depending on how you want to use the software. AccountEdge Pro costs $20 per month for a single user and runs as a local desktop application. AccountEdge Network Edition is $30 per month and supports multiple users working on the same company file. For businesses that want browser access without sacrificing desktop-level power, AccountEdge hosted costs $50 per month and provides cloud access to the full software. Payroll is optional and priced separately, which means total costs depend heavily on how much functionality you need. Compared to Patriot, AccountEdge clearly targets businesses that prioritize control and depth over simplicity. Once pricing is clear, Patriot's feature philosophy makes a lot of sense. Patriot focuses on core small business needs without overwhelming users. It handles invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, financial reports, and payroll in a clean, intuitive interface. The platform is designed so non-accountants can understand their numbers quickly, without digging through menus or configuring complex workflows. Payroll is tightly integrated, allowing businesses to manage pay runs, tax filings, and year-end forms without switching systems. Patriot also offers responsive customer support, which is frequently highlighted by users as one of its strongest advantages. The biggest pros of Patriot are simplicity, affordability, and transparency. It's easy to learn, fast to set up, and ideal for small businesses that want accounting and payroll to feel manageable instead of intimidating. The pricing structure scales gently, and there's very little friction as your business grows. On the downside, Patriot is intentionally limited in scope. It doesn't offer advanced inventory management, job costing, or highly customizable reports. Businesses with complex accounting needs or multi-entity structures may eventually outgrow it. Patriot wins by being clear and reliable, not by being complex. AccountEdge takes a very different approach compared to cloud-first platforms, and that difference becomes obvious the moment you start using it. This is accounting software designed for business owners who want depth, control, and traditional accounting power rather than heavy automation or subscription-driven simplicity. AccountEdge is available as a desktop solution for Windows and Mac, with optional hosted access for businesses that still want browser-based convenience without giving up ownership of their data. At its core, AccountEdge delivers a full double-entry accounting system. You get robust general ledger tools, detailed chart of accounts control, and highly customizable reporting. It supports sales and invoicing, purchase orders, expense tracking, inventory management, time billing, job costing, and fixed assets. Unlike many modern cloud tools that simplify workflows at the cost of flexibility, AccountEdge gives you granular control over transactions, adjustments, and historical data, which is especially valuable for accountants or businesses with complex bookkeeping needs. Inventory is one of AccountEdge's strongest areas. You can track stock levels, manage multiple locations, assign costs accurately, and generate detailed inventory valuation reports. For product-based businesses, wholesalers, or companies that rely on precise stock control, this is a major advantage. Time billing and job tracking are also built in, allowing service-based businesses to track billable hours, allocate costs to jobs, and analyze profitability at a very detailed level. AccountEdge also supports multi-user access depending on the plan, making it suitable for teams rather than just solo users. The Network Edition allows multiple users to work simultaneously on the same company file, while the hosted version adds remote access through a browser. Payroll is available as an optional add-on, and while it's not as automated as dedicated payroll platforms, it integrates tightly with the accounting data for accurate reporting. The biggest strength of AccountEdge is control. You own your data, you're not locked into a purely cloud-based ecosystem, and you're not forced into simplified workflows that may not match how your business actually operates. Many experienced bookkeepers and accountants appreciate this flexibility because it allows them to work efficiently without software limitations getting in the way. That said, there are trade-offs. AccountEdge has a steeper learning curve than beginner-friendly cloud tools. The interface feels more traditional, and new users may need time to understand workflows, terminology, and setup. It also lacks some of the automation features that modern cloud platforms promote heavily, such as real-time bank rules or AI-driven categorization. This isn't software built for hands-off accounting. It's built for accuracy and control. When it comes to user feedback, Capterra reviews help add important context. Patriot Payroll holds a very strong rating on Capterra at 4.8 out of 5 stars, based on over 3,500 user reviews. Users consistently praise its simplicity, transparent pricing, and reliable payroll processing, particularly for small businesses that want payroll handled cleanly without unnecessary complexity. Many reviewers highlight customer support as a standout strength. AccountEdge, on the other hand, holds a 4.2 out of 5-star rating on Capterra, based on over 90 verified reviews. Users frequently praise its accounting depth, inventory management, and flexibility, while noting that the learning curve and traditional interface may not appeal to beginners. As always, ratings change over time and reflect user needs rather than absolute quality, so it's worth checking the latest reviews directly. The final takeaway is simple and positive. If your priority is ease, speed, and stress-free payroll, with minimal setup, Patriot delivers exceptional value and consistency for small businesses. If your business needs detailed accounting control, strong inventory tracking, and ownership over your financial data, AccountEdge stands out as a powerful, professional-grade solution that rewards users who want depth rather than shortcuts. To explore both platforms for yourself, click the link below to access the software, review the latest plans, and see which one fits your workflow best. If this comparison helped you make a clearer decision, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next in-depth software breakdown.